Hello friends! Is your car having trouble starting, misfiring, or showing rough idling? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0394 error code, it means there's an issue with the Camshaft Position Sensor B circuit Intermittent, Bank 2. Ignoring this problem can lead to engine hesitation, reduced power, and even stalling. But don't worry, today, I'll explain what P0394 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0394? The P0394 code stands for Camshaft Position Sensor B Circuit Intermittent, Bank 2. The Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, monitors the rotation speed and position of the camshaft, and sends this data to the ECU, which is the engine control unit. If the ECU detects an intermittent signal loss or fluctuation from the Camshaft Position Sensor B on Bank 2, it triggers P0394, which can cause starting issues, misfires, and poor engine performance. Common symptoms of P0394: check engine light on, engine misfires and rough idling, hard starting or engine won't start, loss of power and acceleration, RPM fluctuations and stalling, and poor fuel efficiency. If your car has any of these problems, it's time to locate the camshaft position sensor. Sensor location. Where to find it? The Camshaft Position Sensor B for Bank 2 is usually found in these locations. On the cylinder head near the camshaft, typically at the back or top of the engine, near the timing chain or belt cover, mounted close to the timing components. Behind the valve cover, some engines place it near the intake or exhaust side, close to the intake camshaft on the Bank 2 side. In engines with dual camshafts, check the second bank. Tip Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine opposite to cylinder 1. Always check your car's service manual for exact details. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0394 error code. First up, we have a faulty camshaft position sensor, or CMP for short. This sensor might be worn out or even defective. Next, damaged wiring or loose connectors can be a culprit. Corrosion, breaks, or poor connections might cause those pesky intermittent signals. Then, we've got timing chain or belt issues. A stretched or misaligned timing chain can really mess with the camshaft readings. Sometimes it's an ECU software glitch, and a software update might just do the trick. Lastly, a faulty reluctor wheel, also known as a tone ring, could be misaligned, cracked, or dirty, leading to erratic readings. So, in conclusion, the P0394 error code can lead to some serious drivability issues if you leave it unchecked. If your car is stalling, misfiring, or having trouble starting, it's crucial to inspect the camshaft position sensor and the wiring as soon as you can. Now, for more car troubleshooting guides, you might want to check out these next videos: P0084, exhaust valve control solenoid circuit for Bank 1, and P0085 for Bank 2. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips. Happy driving!